Oh, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Looking Upon the Heart. This is Heart Talk with Pete Carlson here, marriage and family therapist. Today, we're going to continue our discussion on the 5 dispositions by understanding the integration of science, psychology, and theology. The 3 realms of personhood is body, soul, and spirit. We have to include all 3 when understanding the morphology, the changing spontaneously, immediately, and continuously of our character and personality. Well, we're going to be discussing the last of the premises of this work, which has to do with, first of all, the heart morphology, that we are continuously morphing in and out of our 5 dispositions of the heart, which were the broken heart, but we can't help because we're hurt. The hard heart, which we can help because we're a little stubborn. But then the open heart disposition, where we can receive and give freely. And then there's the sweetheart disposition, where the love of God comes pouring out of us. And then the brave heart disposition, where we can take a good hard look at ourselves and realize, I'm a pretty good guy, but I could really improve in these areas. And taking it the extra mile to be brave, to go outside of our comfort zone and go ahead and be where we feel anxiety and talk about things that we feel uncomfortable talking about and confronting problems. So the heart morphology is the study of how we can change immediately in our experience. The second basic premise was that grace must prevail. Since we're all changing and morphing continually throughout every day, who are we to judge one another? Let us all accept one another as we are morphing ourselves. We shall not judge. So the third basic premise today is that there must be a broad conception of the morphology and the dispositions of the heart, using an integration of 3 distinct disciplines. The basic premise is that we must use an integration of Christianity, psychology, and biology. The field of integration is the combining of biblical theology with psychology, and I'm saying with biology as well, namely brain function. The frontal lobes of the brain doing all the things that the biblical heart are indicated transpires within our thinking and our feeling, our decision making. It is the executive decision maker. So we are spirit, moved by opposing spirits of truth versus lies. We're moved in our soul according to our learning, our thinking, and our emotions. And in our body, our brain chemicals called neurotransmitters and hormones that are working within us in the frontal lobes of our brain. So we must not ignore any of these different realms of personhood. So the reason the integration is necessary is because we are trifold beings, body, soul, and spirit. So we will examine the evidence in the Bible and in biblically consistent psychology, how defining the 5 dispositions of the heart is feasible and practical. We will learn how we can best understand and enhance healthy dispositions in order to cope with the mental and emotional challenges of life and difficulties in our relationships. We will especially be concerned with the difficulties regarding our personal relationship with Jesus, God, the Father, and the Holy Spirit, which are one. In addition, we will always be considering brain function, especially in the frontal lobes behind the forehead, where all executive decision making is made. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Heart Talk. And don't forget to look for my book, Looking Upon the Heart, The 5 Dispositions, at all big booksellers. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.